Oh, look at this beef and broccoli, okay? When I say I did my ones and twos,
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me in the days, and it's so amazing, it's not a phase.
I did my ones and twos. Now this is everything you're gonna need: some beef, some broccoli, some ginger, some garlic, some cornstarch, and some baking soda. You're gonna mix that all up. Clearly we're struggling with the spoon, so you're glad to get some gloves and really get into it, into the nitty-gritty. So here we go with our sauce. We started off with beef bouillon, but you can go with any bouillon. We did sesame oil, rice vinegar, cornstarch, and soy sauce. And you're gonna stir it up. Now you're gonna cook your meat. I did mine till it was basically like 80% done. And then we're gonna start with this broccoli. Okay, get it a little steamed and a little, fried. Come on, wrist work, yeah. Cover it up. Now put that to the side. Okay, ooh. Now you're gonna start with this gravy. Pour in your mixture. Then I had to, add a little bit more water because my cornstarch was stuck at the bottom. And we're gonna whisk away. Okay, ooh, you see a thick, ooh, it's thick, because I don't like a thick chick. Sorry. But you don't like a thick sauce. Yeah, throw in your broccoli and your meat and let it finish cooking. Okay, get it all into the sauce. Get that sauce all over it. Stop playing. Look at that. Now you're going to cover it. Let it cook. Come on. Stir it all together. Cook it up. Yes. And now we plating, baby. Ooh, just look at it come together. The beef, the broccoli, the rice. And I'm proud of myself because my rice didn't fall apart. If y'all seen one of my other videos, y'all saw my rice just epically failed. But baby, look at the gravy. Oh, I'm telling y'all, I did my ones and twos with this recipe. Okay, make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like, leave a comment, and tell me what y'all, if y'all do make it, tell me how y'all like it. Okay, the full description will be down in the bottom. Take a bite, y'all, because I'm telling y'all, y'all ain't never gonna want to have Chinese food again after this one. Thanks for watching.
I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, it knocks me